Imagine waking each morning to the crisp memory of a dream you deliberately chose, perhaps rehearsing a difficult presentation or exploring an alien world of your own design. This seemingly utopian power would fundamentally alter our relationship with the subconscious, transforming the wild, untamed landscapes of nightly visions into a curated, personal theme park. The very act of pre-selecting dreams introduces a novel form of cognitive labor, where rest itself becomes a conscious act of creation, shifting sleep from a passive recovery into an active, almost professional engagement. We would become architects of our inner night, shaping narratives and experiences that once unfolded spontaneously, raising the question of what we lose when we gain absolute control over our nocturnal voyages. This constant, deliberate fabrication of our dreamscapes might replace the organic processing of daily events that our unbidden dreams often facilitate. What kind of cognitive burden does this impose, and how would it redefine the very concept of mental rejuvenation? The freedom to choose dreams immediately ushers in a new form of pressure, the pursuit of the optimal nightly experience. Instead of genuine rest, individuals might feel compelled to select productive dreams, perhaps for learning new skills or solving complex problems, turning sleep into another arena for self-improvement and societal expectation. This continuous striving for dream time efficiency could paradoxically lead to a profound form of decision fatigue, extending beyond waking hours and permeating even our deepest state of unconsciousness. Every night, the brain, already tired from the day's choices, would be tasked with designing its own rest, potentially eroding the restorative power of truly unguided slumber. The allure of escaping reality through perfectly crafted fantasies could also foster a disconnection from actual problems, as individuals might prioritize elaborate, chosen dream lives over confronting waking challenges. Such a shift could diminish our capacity for spontaneous coping mechanisms, where often unexpected dream narratives provide unique perspectives or emotional catharsis without conscious effort. Unchosen dreams often serve as a vital conduit to our subconscious, revealing hidden anxieties, unaddressed desires, and processing raw emotional data without our conscious interference. By exclusively selecting our dreams, we might effectively mute this inner voice, foregoing invaluable insights that emerge from spontaneous narrative and symbolism. The constant curation of our nightly experiences could create a psychological echo chamber where we only confront themes and scenarios we are comfortable with or consciously choose, thus inhibiting genuine self-discovery. This deliberate bypassing of uncomfortable or challenging dream content could prevent the natural integration of difficult emotions or unresolved conflicts. We might lose the unique way dreams test our mental models, revealing logical inconsistencies or emotional blind spots that a pre-selected narrative would likely smooth over. The profound, unsettling, or even mundane dream moments that typically offer unvarnished glimpses into our deepest selves could become a relic of a past when our inner world still held surprises. This shift could fundamentally alter human introspection and emotional intelligence, replacing raw self-reflection with a carefully constructed self-image, even in our sleep. A society where dreams are chosen would inevitably give rise to new industries, from dream designers creating bespoke nocturnal experiences to dream coaches guiding individuals through optimal selection strategies. Dream content could become a commodity, with premium, high-fidelity dreamscapes available to those who can afford them, potentially exacerbating existing socioeconomic disparities into the realm of sleep itself. This commercialization could lead to a dream gap, where certain segments of the population are perpetually stuck with generic or low-quality dream options, impacting their rest and mental well-being. Furthermore, the ability to share or even co-create dreams could lead to entirely new forms of social interaction and entertainment, but also new forms of surveillance and manipulation. Imagine advertising within chosen dreams, or governmental agencies monitoring dream selections for undesirable content, extending control into the most private corners of human experience. The very concept of personal privacy would be profoundly challenged, as our chosen inner lives could become transparent to external forces, blurring the lines between waking life and conscious nocturnal experience. Ultimately, the power to choose every dream might strip away a fundamental aspect of human existence, the unpredictability of our inner world. Unbidden dreams are a testament to the mind's capacity for independent creation, a constant reminder that we are more than our conscious intentions. To eliminate this natural emergence is to potentially lose the serendipitous discoveries about ourselves and the world that only unguided introspection can provide. The persistent pursuit of intentional dreamscapes could lead to a homogenized inner experience, where the bizarre, the absurd, and the truly novel are systematically edited out in favor of preferred narratives. This could, over time, diminish our capacity for adaptability and creative problem-solving in waking life, as the subconscious laboratory of unchosen dreams, where new connections often forge, becomes dormant. The deepest philosophical implication might be a redefinition of consciousness itself, where the boundary between waking choice and sleeping experience blurs completely, and the self in its entirety becomes a continuous, deliberate construction rather than an unfolding mystery.